Dear students, welcome to Chapter 4 Role of Body Language and Nonverbal Communications quiz. So, I wish all of you good luck for this quiz and kindly follow the instruction that is given in Google website so that you know what to write and what not to write. What are the questions that you have to follow? The first question is kinesis is the study of body language, which includes, and your options are face and eyes, gestures, postures, movement. The second one is face and chin, gestures, postures, movement. Third is face and eyes, sitting, postures, movement. And the fourth one is none of the above. At this point, kindly pause the video and then give the answer. Yes, I will be giving you the answers and then you write your own answer in the comment section. The answer is face and eyes, gestures, postures, and movement. Now, the second question, sadness is expressed through drooping upper eyelids. Second, losing focus in eyes, slight pulling down of lip corners, or all of the above. You can pause the video and give your answer. And the answer is all of the above. Third question is anger is expressed through eyebrows up and together, eyes do not glare, broadening of the lips, none of the above. You can pause the video. I will not keep on repeating pause the video, but you can pause the video. And the answer is none of the above. Fourth, surprise is expressed through mouth open, eyes widened, eyebrows raised, all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. The fifth one, before we hear or talk to the person, we look at the person's body, shoes, face, dress. I hope you have written the answer, and the answer is face. Sixth one. This is for another group from 6 to 10. It will be different group. Which facial expressions are similar throughout the world? Throughout the world, okay? Happiness, sadness, anger, and fear. Second option is fear, lying, happiness, and anger. Third option, anger, happiness, sadness, and sitting, or all of the above. You can pause the video here and then you can write the answer in the comment section. After writing the answer, you can see the answer. Now I'm going to give you the answer. The answer is happiness, sadness, anger, and fear. Next question, that is number 7. Steady eye contact means option 1, telling lies. Option 2, the person is trustworthy. Option 3, you are ignoring the other person. Option 4, you are unhappy with the person. Write your answer in the comment section. To get the right answer, the person is trustworthy. Question number 8, shifty eyes means the person is lying. The person may think twice to trust the person. The person is deceptive. All of the above. Shifty eyes. This question is about shifty eyes. Now, the answer is all of the above. Number 9, avoiding eye contact means you are interested in going ahead for conversation. It indicates you do not want to engage in conversation. Both the options are correct or none of the above. This is talking about avoiding eye contact. You can pause the video and write your answer in the comment section. After writing the answer, you can check the answer if your answer is correct. And the correct answer is, it indicates you do not want to engage in conversation. And the last question for this particular group is, to ease anxiety, people, what do? Fiddle with their phones, they shake their legs, they click on pens, or all of the above. If you have written the answer, to find the correct answer, all of the above. There are 4 human postures. Now this question is for the third group, whichever the third group is, whichever group gets this question, you start with question number 11. There are 4 human postures. The first one is, the options are standing, smiling, sitting, squatting. Second option, standing, sitting, squatting, lying. Third option, standing, walking, squatting, lying, or all of the above. Don't get confused if you have written the answer, and if you do not know the answer, then also the answer is standing, sitting, squatting, and lying. These are the only 4 postures a human being has. Next question for the next question, number 12. Non-verbal cue that we use subconsciously, putting our hand on our hips, indicates. Option 1, to make us look smaller, to show assertiveness, to make us look bigger, both to show assertiveness and to make us look bigger is correct. If you want, you can pause the video, read the question again and the answer, write the answer, and I can give you the right answer. And the correct answer is both to show assertiveness and to make us look bigger is correct. Next question, number 13, leaning back. When I say leaning back, leaning backward shows when you're sitting, leaning back. Option 1, informality and indifference. Option 2, formality and indifference. Option 3, difference and informality, or none of the above. Your answer is informality and indifference. Question number 14, leaning forward, like the way you did lean backward, this way, leaning forward. The options are not interested but attentive, interested and attentiveness, interested and do not want to pay attention, all of the above. You can write your answer, and you have written your answer in the notebook too. If you want, you can refer to that too also. And the answer is interested and attentiveness. Question number 15. Which of the statement is true? If you sway back and forth at the podium, audience may follow the movement rather than the message. Understand the option. The second option is, if you use your hand to move your hair out or your eyes constantly while speaking, the audience will focus on the movement rather than what you are saying. You are free to read this question and the option again. The third option, unnecessary movement can distract your presentation, or all of the above. Anytime of the moment, you can pause the video, and if you are sure with the answer, you write it in the comment section to check the answer. The correct answer is all of the above. From 16 to 20, it will be for another group. Whichever group has got numbers quiz that they have to write from 16 to 20, they will start from number 16. So first question for this particular group is number 16. A weak handshake, a timid tap on the shoulder, a warm bear hug, a reassuring slap on the back is the example of. You are free to pause and read the question once again for understanding. The options are anger, touch, speech, movement. If you have written the answer in the comment section, and to check the correct answer is touch. Ringing of the telephone bell is an example of. This is question number 17 and number 2. Number 2 for this particular group. Visual signal, audio signal, movement, kinesis. The correct answer is audio signal. Third question and number 18 for this particular group. Stripes or strips at a zebra crossing is an example of visual signal, audio signal, movement, kinesis. Whichever you feel, zebra crossing. What kind of signal will this be? And if you have written the answer, to check your answer, this is the correct answer, visual signal, because zebra crossing, you see it. Number 19, that question number 19, which statement or statements are correct? Visual signs are useful only in conveying short messages. Visual signs can be employed for long messages. Visual signs do not catch attention, or all of the above. I hope this question is clear and the statements and options are also clear to you. The correct answer is visual signs are useful only in conveying short messages. The last question for this particular group, that is number 20. Eyebrows raised and pulled together, raised upper eyelids, lips slightly stretched horizontally back to the ears, and tensed lower eyelid indicates. I have written too much in this question. However, it is for your understanding. If you want to pause the video, understand. The options are sadness, anger, fear, surprise. When will this happen? During sadness, during anger, during fear, or during surprise? The answer is fear. So, thank you for answering the quiz.